Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is spicy pan fried salmon. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, let's first make the spicy marinade. In a suitably sized bowl, add the turmeric, ground cumin, garam masala, ground coriander, chilli powder, followed by the ginger and garlic, then salt and pepper to taste. And when your wife's finally caught up in the narration, the juice of half a lime. It's not my fault, we started together. If she can't keep up, it's up to her. Then when she has caught you up, add the oil a good splash at a time, mixing into a paste, something like you see here. Then when this is done, coat the salmon with the paste. You could of course just use your hands for this, but Mrs. Picasso wanted to use a brush. God knows why, but it's safer not to ask. Call me a wimp if you want, but it's a brave man who questions my wife. Then cover and place in a refrigerator until you're ready to cook. Then when you are ready to cook, simply place the butter and a splash of oil in a pan, bring up to a medium heat and add the salmon fillets. You want to cook this on a medium to low heat so the spices don't burn before the middle of the salmon is cooked. Continue to cook gently for 4 or 5 minutes aside, and then you're ready to serve. Okay, I'll tell him. Apparently it tastes a lot better than it looks. As normal, we do hope you enjoyed this recipe and video. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.